25 Hidden Gems in Mexico City You Need to See. Intro. Welcome to the heart of Mexico, Mexico City. Glowing star, a vibrant metropolis where ancient history meets modern culture. This city is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. From the awe-inspiring architecture to the mouth-watering cuisine, every corner of Mexico City tells a story. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, this city has something for everyone. Join us as we explore the 25 best places to visit in Mexico City, packed with insider tips, hidden gems, and must-see attractions. Get ready to fall in love with one of the most dynamic cities in the world. Taco Sparkles, please write a comment and advice for us because you are our valuable visitor. When you subscribe, you're not just clicking a button. You're joining a global family of explorers, dreamers, and adventurers. Together, we share stories, inspire journeys, and uncover the magic that this world holds. Every destination is a new chapter, and every subscriber adds a new voice to our community. Let's walk this path hand in hand, turning dreams into plans and strangers into friends. So, take that leap, hit subscribe, and let's create unforgettable memories, one adventure at a time. Hashtag Mexico City Adventures. Hashtag Travel Goals. 1. Zócalo, Plaza de la Constitución. The Zócalo is the beating heart of Mexico City and one of the largest public squares in the world. Surrounded by historic buildings like the Metropolitan Cathedral and the National Palace, this iconic plaza is a must-visit for anyone exploring the city. The Zócalo is steeped in history, having been the center of Aztec civilization as part of the ancient city of Tenochtitlan. Today, it's a bustling hub of activity, hosting cultural events, political demonstrations, and vibrant festivals. Don't miss the chance to see the giant Mexican flag raised daily in the center of the square. Whether you're soaking in the history or people watching, the Zócalo is a quintessential Mexico City experience. 2. Chapultepec Park. Chapultepec Park is one of the largest urban parks in the world and a green oasis in the middle of Mexico City. With over 1,600 acres of lush greenery, this park is perfect for a day of exploration. Visit the Chapultepec Castle, which offers stunning views of the city and houses the National Museum of History. The park is also home to the famous Chapultepec Zoo, the Modern Art Museum, and the Tamayo Museum. Whether you're jogging, picnicking, or simply strolling, Chapultepec Park is a refreshing escape from the city's hustle and bustle. 3. National Museum of Anthropology. The National Museum of Anthropology is one of the most important museums in the world, showcasing Mexico's rich cultural heritage. Located in Chapultepec Park, this museum houses an extensive collection of artifacts from pre-Columbian civilizations, including the Aztec, Maya, and Olmec cultures. Highlights include the Aztec Sunstone and the reconstructed tomb of Pacal the Great. The museum's architecture is also a marvel, with its iconic umbrella-shaped fountain in the central courtyard. A visit to this museum is a journey through Mexico's ancient past and a must for history enthusiasts. 4. Frida Kahlo Museum, Casa Azul. Step into the world of one of Mexico's most iconic artists at the Frida Kahlo Museum, also known as Casa Azul. Located in the charming neighborhood of Coyoacán, this bright blue house was where Frida Kahlo was born, lived, and died. The museum offers an intimate look into her life, displaying her personal belongings, artwork, and the studio where she created some of her most famous pieces. The lush garden and colorful interiors are a reflection of Kahlo's vibrant personality. A visit here is a deeply emotional and inspiring experience for art lovers. 5. Teotihuacan Pyramids. Just outside Mexico City lies the ancient city of Teotihuacan, home to some of the most impressive pyramids in the world. The Pyramid of the Sun and the Pyramid of the Moon dominate the landscape, offering breathtaking views from their summits. This UNESCO World Heritage Site was once a thriving metropolis and is shrouded in mystery, as the origins of its builders remain unknown. Walking along the Avenue of the Dead, you'll feel the weight of history and the grandeur of this ancient civilization. A day trip to Teotihuacan is a journey back in time and a highlight of any visit to Mexico City. 6. Palacio de Bellas Artes. The Palacio de Bellas Artes is a cultural landmark and one of the most beautiful buildings in Mexico City. This stunning Art Nouveau and Art Deco palace is home to the National Theatre and hosts a variety of performances, including ballet, opera, and classical music. The interior is adorned with murals by famous Mexican artists like Diego Rivera and David Alfaro Siqueiros. The building's iconic dome is a symbol of Mexico City's artistic heritage. Whether you're attending a performance or simply admiring the architecture, the Palacio de Bellas Artes is a must-see. 7. Xochimilco Canals. Experience the colorful and festive atmosphere of Xochimilco, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its ancient canals and floating gardens. Hop aboard a traditional Trajanera, colorful boat, and enjoy a leisurely ride along the waterways, surrounded by mariachi bands, food vendors, and vibrant decorations. Xochimilco is a remnant of the Aztecs' Chinampa system of agriculture and offers a unique glimpse into Mexico's pre-Hispanic past. It's a perfect spot for a relaxing day out with family or friends. 8. Coyoacan Neighborhood. Coyoacan is one of Mexico City's most charming neighborhoods, with its cobblestone streets, colonial architecture, and lively plazas. This bohemian district was once home to famous figures like Frida Kahlo and Leon Trotsky. Visit the Jardín Centenario and the Church of San Juan Bautista, or explore the local markets and cafes. Coyoacan's laid-back vibe and artistic spirit make it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. 9. Templo Mayor. The Templo Mayor is an archaeological site in the heart of Mexico City, revealing the remains of the main temple of the Aztec capital, Tenochtitlan. Discovered in 1978, this site offers a fascinating look into Aztec religion and architecture. The on-site museum displays artifacts found during excavations, including stone carvings, jewelry, and ceremonial objects. A visit to the Templo Mayor is a journey into the heart of Aztec civilization. 10. Museo Samaya. The Museo Samaya is a modern architectural marvel and one of Mexico City's most visited museums. Designed by Fernando Romero, the museum's unique, silver-colored facade is a standout in the city's skyline. Inside, you'll find an extensive collection of art, including works by European masters like Rodin, Dali, and Van Gogh, as well as Mexican artists. The museum's diverse exhibits and free admission make it a must-visit for art enthusiasts. 11. Basilica of Our Lady of Guadalupe. The Basilica of Our Lady of Guadalupe is one of the most important religious sites in the world and a pilgrimage destination for millions of Catholics. This iconic basilica houses the tilma, cloak, of Juan Diego, which is said to bear the image of the Virgin Mary. The modern basilica stands alongside the old one, creating a striking contrast. Whether you're religious or not, the basilica's spiritual significance and architectural beauty are awe-inspiring. 12. Alameda Central. Alameda Central is Mexico City's oldest public park and a peaceful retreat in the middle of the bustling city. This beautifully landscaped park is filled with fountains, statues, and shaded walkways. Located next to the Palacio de Bellas Artes, Alameda Central is a great spot for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. The park's history dates back to the 16th century, making it a historic landmark as well as a green oasis. 13. Torre Latinoamericana. The Torre Latinoamericana is one of Mexico City's most iconic skyscrapers and offers some of the best views of the city. Built in 1956, this 44-story tower was once the tallest building in Latin America. Head to the observation deck on the 44th floor for panoramic views of the city, including the Zócalo and Chapultepec Park. The tower also houses a museum and a restaurant, making it a great spot for a full day of exploration. 14. San Ángel Neighborhood. San Ángel is a picturesque neighborhood known for its colonial architecture, cobblestone streets, and vibrant arts scene. Visit the Plaza San Jacinto, where local artists display their work, or explore the Museo Casa Estudio Diego Rivera y Frida Kahlo, where the famous couple once lived. San Angel's Saturday Bazaar is a must-visit for unique crafts and souvenirs. This charming neighborhood is a perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. 15. Museo Nacional de Arte. The Museo Nacional de Arte, MUNO, is a treasure trove of Mexican art, spanning from the colonial period to the 20th century. Housed in a stunning neoclassical building, the museum's collection includes paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts by some of Mexico's most renowned artists. The museum's grand staircase and ornate interiors are as impressive as the art itself. A visit to MUNAL is a journey through Mexico's artistic evolution. 16. Mercado de la Merced. Mercado de la Merced is one of the largest and most vibrant markets in Mexico City, offering a sensory overload of colors, smells, and flavors. This bustling market is a paradise for foodies, with stalls selling everything from fresh produce to traditional Mexican dishes. The market is divided into sections, each specializing in different goods, from spices to piñatas. A visit to Mercado de la Merced is a true immersion into Mexican culture. 17. Museo Tamayo. The Museo Tamayo is a contemporary art museum located in Chapultepec Park, dedicated to the works of Mexican artist Rufino Tamayo. The museum's collection includes modern and contemporary art from around the world, with a focus on Latin American artists. The building's minimalist design and tranquil setting make it a perfect spot for art lovers. The museum also hosts temporary exhibitions and cultural events, making it a dynamic space for contemporary art. 18. Paseo de la Reforma. Paseo de la Reforma is Mexico City's most famous avenue, lined with iconic landmarks, modern skyscrapers, and green spaces. This grand boulevard was modeled after the Champs-Élysées in Paris and is a hub of activity day and night. Don't miss the Angel of Independence, a symbol of Mexico's independence, or the Diana the Huntress Fountain. Paseo de la Reforma is also a great spot for cycling or jogging, with dedicated lanes for outdoor activities. 19. Museo del Templo Mayor. The Museo del Templo Mayor is an archaeological museum located next to the Templo Mayor site, showcasing artifacts from the Aztec capital of Tenochtitlan. The museum's exhibits include stone carvings, pottery, and ceremonial objects, offering a deeper understanding of Aztec culture and religion. The museum's modern design and interactive displays make it a fascinating experience for visitors of all ages. 20. Museo Franz Mayer. The Museo Franz Mayer is a decorative arts museum housed in a historic building near Alameda Central. The museum's collection includes furniture, ceramics, textiles, and silverware from the 16th to the 19th centuries. The museum also hosts temporary exhibitions and cultural events, making it a dynamic space for art and design enthusiasts. The beautiful courtyard and cafe are perfect for a relaxing break. 21. Ciudad Universitaria. Ciudad Universitaria is the main campus of the National Autonomous University of Mexico, UNAM, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The campus is home to some of Mexico City's most iconic modernist architecture, including the Central Library, which is covered in a stunning mural by Juan O'Gorman. The campus also features museums, art galleries, and green spaces, making it a vibrant cultural hub. 22. Museo de Arte Popular. The Museo de Arte Popular is a celebration of Mexico's rich folk art traditions, showcasing colorful crafts, textiles, and ceramics from across the country. The museum's exhibits highlight the creativity and skill of Mexican artisans, with a focus on regional styles and techniques. The museum also hosts workshops and events, making it a great spot for hands-on learning. 23. Park Mexico. Park Mexico is a charming urban park located in the trendy Condesa neighborhood. This beautifully landscaped park is a favorite among locals, with its tree-lined paths, fountains, and Art Deco architecture. The park is also home to an open-air theater and a dog park, making it a great spot for a relaxing day out. 24. Museo Jumex. The Museo Jumex is a contemporary art museum located in the upscale Polanco neighborhood, showcasing works by international and Mexican artists. The museum's sleek, modern design is a standout in the city's art scene, and its rotating exhibitions make it a dynamic space for contemporary art. The museum also hosts talks, workshops, and film screenings, making it a cultural hub for art enthusiasts. 25. Laguna Market. Laguna Market is a bustling flea market known for its antiques, vintage clothing, and unique finds. This lively market is a treasure trove for collectors and bargain hunters, with stalls selling everything from old records to retro furniture. The market is also a great spot for street food, with vendors serving up traditional Mexican dishes. A visit to Laguna Market is a fun and eclectic experience. Outro. Mexico City is a city that will capture your heart and ignite your soul. Glowing star from its ancient ruins to its modern art, every corner of this vibrant metropolis tells a story. Whether you're exploring the historic Zocalo, marveling at the Teotihuacan pyramids, or savoring the flavors of Mercado de la Merced, Mexico City offers endless adventures. We hope this guide inspires you to pack your bags and experience the magic of this incredible city. Taco Sparkles, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. When you subscribe, you're not just clicking a button. You're joining a global family of explorers, dreamers, and adventurers. Together, we share stories, inspire journeys, and uncover the magic that this world holds. Every destination is a new chapter, and every subscriber adds a new voice to our community. Let's walk this path hand in hand, turning dreams into plans and strangers into friends. So, take that leap, hit subscribe, and let's create unforgettable memories, one adventure at a time. #Mexico City Love #Travel with us.